Older homes have undeniable charm. From established neighborhoods to distinctive architectural details, they offer character that many homeowners love. However, while the style may stand the test of time, original windows often do not. Aging window materials, outdated glass technology, and worn seals can significantly impact comfort and efficiency. For homeowners in Coppell, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the most impactful improvements older homes can make. Outdated windows and energy loss. Many older homes were built with single-pane windows or early-generation double-pane models that lack modern insulation features. In Coppell residences, these older windows often allow heat to transfer easily between the inside and outside. During warmer periods, excess heat can enter through the glass. During cooler weather, conditioned air can escape. This constant exchange forces indoor systems to work harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. Energy-efficient window upgrades address this issue by adding advanced insulation and sealing technology. Eliminating drafts and air leaks over time, window frames can shift or deteriorate. In older Coppell homes, small gaps may form around window edges, allowing drafts to develop. These air leaks can create uneven temperatures throughout rooms, particularly near seating areas or bedrooms. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed with improved weather stripping and compression seals. When professionally installed, they create a tighter barrier against unwanted airflow. Improving indoor comfort. One of the first improvements homeowners notice after upgrading windows is increased comfort. In older Coppell homes, certain rooms may feel warmer or cooler than others due to inefficient windows. Energy-efficient glass helps stabilize indoor conditions, making living spaces feel more consistent and inviting throughout the year. Reducing strain on heating and cooling systems. Outdated windows can cause indoor systems to cycle more frequently. By upgrading to energy-efficient models, Coppell homeowners reduce the strain placed on their heating and cooling equipment. Improved insulation allows systems to operate more efficiently, supporting smoother performance over time. Enhancing natural light without excess heat. Many older windows were not designed to balance light and insulation. Modern energy-efficient windows in Coppell homes allow natural light to enter while minimizing unwanted heat gain. This creates brighter interiors without sacrificing comfort. Preserving architectural character. Homeowners of older properties often worry about losing their home's charm during upgrades. Energy-efficient windows are available in styles that complement traditional architecture. Coppell residents can maintain the aesthetic integrity of their homes while improving performance behind the scenes. Boosting property value. Buyers often look for homes with modern upgrades that reduce long-term costs. In Coppell neighborhoods, older homes with updated energy-efficient windows may stand out for their improved comfort and reduced maintenance concerns. Window upgrades are viewed as a valuable enhancement. Supporting long-term durability. Aging windows may experience condensation, warping, or difficulty operating. Replacing them with modern energy-efficient models helps protect the home's structure and improve long-term reliability. A smart investment for aging properties. Older homes in Coppell offer charm and history, but upgrading outdated windows is often essential for modern comfort. Energy-efficient window upgrades reduce drafts, stabilize indoor temperatures, and enhance overall performance. By investing in modern window technology, homeowners preserve the beauty of their older properties while creating a more comfortable, efficient living environment for years to come.